Good morning, students. Last class you are completed the atomic number, mass number, and isotopes. The next one concept is what are isobars and isotones, isodiaphers, and isostars, and what is isoelectronic species concept. Let's see the first one concept is isobar. Isobar means the atoms of different elements have the same mass number, different atomic number. The type of species called isobars. Atoms of different elements having the same mass number, different atomic number. The type of species called isobars. So what is isobars? Atoms of not same, different elements. Different elements having same mass number, different atomic number. So these are called isobars. Okay, then see the examples. So if you take the example carbon 614, like that nitrogen 714. This is carbon, atom of carbon element. This is atom of nitrogen elements. Both are atoms of different elements having the mass number same but atomic number is different. So these are called isobars. Isobars means mass number is same. Remember that point. Atomic number is different. Then second one example. This is first one example. Second one example is argon 1840, calcium 2040. So here also argon and calcium both are atoms of different elements. They have same mass number 40, but atomic number what happened? Different. So this type of species called isobars. So this is about the isobars. Here one more important point, the isobars having the different chemical properties. They have different chemical properties. Why? Because of atomic number different na, chemical properties is different, but mass number same na, physical properties same physical properties. So atoms of different elements have the same mass number, different atomic number. That is called isobars. So these are examples for the isobars. In these two examples, these are atoms of different elements having the same mass number but atomic number different. This is called isobars. These isobars have the different chemical properties because of atomic number different, number of electrons also different, chemical properties also different, and mass number is same because of physical properties are same because of mass number is same. So this is about the isobars. The next one is isotones. The next one concept is isotones. Then what is isotones? Atoms of different elements have the different mass number, different atomic number, but neutron number is same. That is called isotones. Atoms of different elements have the different mass number, different atomic number, but neutron number is same. That is called isotones. So what is isotones? Atoms of different elements having different mass number, different atomic number, but neutron number is same. Neutron number is same. So this is called what is that? Isotones. Atoms of different elements having the different mass number, different atomic number, but neutron number is same. You have to remember that point. That is called isotones. Isotones. Then see the examples. See example, first one is carbon 614, oxygen 816. These two are atoms of different element na. This is atom of carbon element, atom of oxygen element. Atoms are different element having the atomic number different, mass number different, neutron number same. What is neutron number? Neutron number equal to A minus Z. Here also n is equal to a minus z. Therefore neutron number equal to 14 minus 6, 8. Here n is equal to 16 minus 8. Therefore n is equal to 8. So these are atoms of different elements of the different mass number and different atomic number, but neutron number is same, 8, 8. So these are called isotones. Like that, second one example, this is example 1. The next one is example 2. Sodium and magnesium. Here sodium, magnesium. So here n is equal to a minus z. Here also n is equal to a minus z. Number of neutrons, mass number minus atomic number, 23 minus 11. Here 24 minus 12. Therefore here neutron number 12. Here also neutron number 12. So these are atoms of different elements have the different mass number, different atomic number, but neutron number is same. So these are called isotones. So okay, then next one is this type of isotones having the different atomic number, different mass number na. So the isotones having different chemical and physical properties. The isotones have the different chemical properties and different physical properties because of atomic number different, mass number different. This is about the isotones. The next one is isodiaphers. The next one is fourth one is isodiapher. What is isodiaphers? So this is atoms of different elements or nucleides having the same a minus 2z value. Atoms of different elements have the same a minus 2z value. That means atomic number, isotopic number. That is called isodiapher. So once again, what is isodiapher means? Atoms of different elements have the same isotopic number. That is called isodiapher. Isotopic number means a minus 2z values is nothing but isotopic number. That is called isodiapher. Then see definition. Atoms of different elements having same isotopic number. So atoms are different elements, atomic number different, mass number different, but isotopic number what happen? Same isotopic number. What is isotopic number? A minus 2z value is same. Okay, so this type of the atoms or nucleides called isodiaphers. Or another one definition, one more definition is there. Atoms of different elements having same difference between neutrons and protons, means n minus p value same. Atoms of different elements have the same difference between the neutrons and protons, means neutron proton difference is same. Okay, this is also called isodiaphers. Okay, once again here, atoms of different elements are nucleides. So atoms of different elements having the different mass number, different atomic number. Okay, but they have the same isotopic number, means a minus 2z value same. That is isotopic number. That is called isodiaphers. Another one definition. Atoms of different elements have the same difference between the neutrons and protons. Same the difference between neutrons and protons. So that is also called the type of the species called isodiaphers. Let's see the example 1. Fluorine, sodium, 9, 90, 11, 23. Okay, we see here atoms of different elements na, they have different atomic number, different mass number, but a minus 2z isotopic number is same. Isotopic number means a minus 2z isotopic number. We see here a minus 2z value is same. Then how it is same? What is your a value? 19 minus 2 into 9, atomic number 9. Here 23 minus 2 into 11. Then what is different? 19 minus 2 into 9 means 18. 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. Here 23 minus 2 into 11, 22 is equal to 1. So atoms of different elements have a different atomic number, different mass number. But isotopic number A minus 2Z value here 1. Here also A minus 2Z value 1. Isotopic number is same. That is called isodiaphers. So these two are isodiaphers. Isodiaphers. Okay. Or another one. According to the second one definition, these two are atoms of different elements. Na? They have the different atomic number, different mass number, but same n minus p value. Same difference between the neutrons and protons. Then you see the, according to second one definition, neutron number and proton number difference. How many protons are there? 9. Neutrons 19 minus 9. Neutron number equal to A minus Z. A minus Z. Then first one species fluorine. 19 minus 9. 19 minus 9 is equal to 10. Neutron number 10. Second species sodium. 23 minus 11. What are here? 12. Then what I told you, same difference between neutrons and proton number different. Therefore, neutron number, proton number is same. That is called isodiaphers. For first one species, neutron number is 10. Proton number, how many protons? 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So that is called isodiapher. Here also, neutron. How many neutrons are there here? 23 minus 11 means here neutron number 12 na? 12 minus proton number is 11. Then what happened? 1. So this is atoms of different elements having the different mass number, different atomic number, but isotopic number is same. Or another one definition, atoms of different elements have the same difference between the neutron and proton number. So this is called isodiaphers. The next one concept is what are isosters. Isosters means the molecules have the same atomicity. Means molecule containing number of atoms are same. That is atomicity. The molecules have the same atomicity and also same number of electrons. The type of the molecules called isosters. So once again, what is isoster means molecules have the same atomicity and also same number of electrons. The type of the molecules called isosters. Molecules having same atomicity. Means atomicity means number of atoms in the molecule is same and same number of electrons. The type of the molecule is called isosters. Understood what I said? See here example 1. Here CO2 N2O. So atomicity means number of atoms in the molecule. 1 carbon, 2 atoms. Atomicity. Here 1 carbon, 2 oxygen atom. 1 plus 2, 3 atoms. Here also 2 nitrogen, 1 oxygen atom. 2 plus 1, 3. So atomicity is 3. Next number of electrons. The number of electrons. Each one carbon contains 6 electrons. 2 oxygens contain, each oxygen contain 8 electrons. So 2 oxygen contain 2 into 8. Then how many electrons total? 6 plus 16. Okay. Then total 6 plus 16, 22 electrons are there. Where in carbon dioxide contain total 22 electrons. Like that in second one compound. For this one, how many nitrons? 2 nitrogens. 2 into, each nitrogen contains 7 electrons. 2 into 7 means atomic number of nitrogen 7 na, they contain 7 electrons. 2 into 7, 14 electrons. 1 oxygen, each oxygen contain 8 electrons. 1 oxygen 1 into 8. So 14 plus 8, 22 electrons. Okay. So this is about the molecules. They have the same atomicity 3 and also same number of electrons. This type of the species called what is that? Isosters. Or second one example, C6H6 B3N3H6. This is benzene. This is example. This is benzene. This is inorganic benzene or boroside. See here benzene atomicity means how many atoms present in the molecules? 6 carbon, 6 hydrogens. Total 6 plus 6, 12. Atomicity 12. Here also atomicity 3 boron, 3 nitrogen, 6 hydrogens. 3 plus 3 plus 6, 12. So atomicity is same. Next number of electrons. 6 carbon, each carbon containing 6 electrons. 6 into 6, 36. 6 hydrogen, each hydrogen contain 1 electron. Total 6. So total number of electrons 36 and also 6. Total 42 electrons are there. Benzene. Like that inorganic benzene. Here 3 borons. Each boron contains 5 electrons. 3 boron, 15 electrons. 3 nitrogens. Each nitrogen contains 7 electrons. 3 nitrogens, 21. 6 hydrogens. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron. 6. Total 42 electrons. Okay. Then here the molecules which have the same atomicity same 12, and also number of electrons same number of electrons. Here 42 and 42. The molecules have the same atomicity and different. The molecules have the same atomicity and also same number of electrons. So this type of the molecules called isosters. That is about the isosters. Then last one is isoelectronic species. Then what is isoelectronic species? Molecules or atoms or ions. They contain same number of electrons. Molecules, atoms or ions contain same number of electrons. The type of the species called isoelectronic species. See here, molecules, ions or atoms having same number of electrons. Same number of electrons. That is called isoelectronic species. Okay. So isoelectronic species. Then next one is example. Just now I told what is isoelectronic species? Molecules, ions or atoms having the same number of electrons. That is called isoelectronic species. For example, this is neon. Neon. What is the atomic number of neon? Neon atomic number 10. It contains 10 electrons. Okay. Then next is sodium. Ion. Cation. Sodium atomic number 11. Plus charge means loss of 1 electron. 11 minus 1. It is also contain 10 electrons. Then next one is magnesium. Atomic number 12. From this 12, 2 electrons loss. Then remaining 10 electrons. Like that aluminum. Atomic number 13. From the 13, 3 electrons loss. It contains 10 electrons. Like that fluorine. Atomic number 9. Minus 1 means gain of 1 electron. 9 plus 1, 10 electrons. Okay. Next oxygen. Atomic number 8. Extra 2 electrons gain. 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. Next nitrogen. Atomic number 7. 3 electrons gain. 7 plus 3, 10 electrons. So all are have the atoms or ions or molecules. They contain same number of electrons. These are called isoelectronic species. Okay. So this is about the isoelectronic species. That is about the concept. You'll see the students. This is one of the problem which is related to this concept. Here, problem number 1. This is textbook problem. Number of electrons and protons and neutrons in the species are equal to 18, 16, 16. Means electron 18, proton 16 and neutron 16. Assign the symbol of species. Very simple. You see here. Number of electrons. How many electrons? Electrons 80. Number of protons. How many protons? 16. Next, number of neutrons. How many neutrons? That is also 16. Okay. So this is the GNU. We have to assign the symbol of the species. Okay. Then see here. Before going to the symbol, first of all we have to know about the atomic number, mass number. First, mass number is nothing but proton number plus neutron number. No? What is your proton and the neutron mass number? 16 plus 16. So mass number 32. Good. Next, atomic number Z. Atomic number equal to proton number or electron number. But a proton number 16, electron number 18, means proton number and electron number whatever are different. So in case the any species proton number neutron number is different, already I told the atomic number is mainly related to the electrons number and proton number. But in case both are they given a different value, so at that time the atomic number is equal to the proton number. So here atomic number equal to what is your proton number, because of electron number means the atom it may be lost or it may be gained electrons. That's why electron number will be different. But proton is the atom is not gain or not lose the proton number. That's why proton number is constant. So atomic number is equal to the proton number. So Z is equal to either electron number or proton number. No? So I am taking the proton number. Why? Because of constant proton number. So Z is equal to 16. Proton number 16. Proton number 16 means what is the element? Sulfur. Symbol is sulfur. Yes. Atomic number 16. Na? 16. Mass number 32. Na? 32. But electron number what happened here? Electrons number is equal to 18. 18 means here how many atomic number is there? Same number of electrons present. Na? Say 16 electrons are generally present. Plus extra 2 electrons gained. Then only 16 plus 2 18. 18 electrons. So already 16 electrons are there. Extra 2 electrons gain means electron gain of electron means that is indicated by the negative sign. Loss of electron plus sign. 2 electrons gain means minus 2. So this is the symbol of the element. That is about the concept. Then see the second one problem. This is textbook exercise problem 4.42 problem. An element with mass number. This question one time came. Remember this type of model. An element with mass number 81. It contained 31.7% more neutrons compared to the proton. Means compared to proton, neutron how many percentage more is neutron number? 31.7%. Assign the symbol of the element. First we have to write the mass number. What is the mass number? Amma? Mass number equal to proton plus neutron number. Means mass number is equal to 80. That is equal to 81. They given 81 mass number. So that is equal to proton number, neutron number. Na? We don't know proton number. But neutron number is 31.7% more than proton number. That's why proton number equal to X. We don't know. That's why I am taking X. Next neutron number. Neutron number compared with proton number, how many percentage more? 31.7% means more than proton. Proton plus 31.7% means 31.7 by 100x. Then what happened total? Here x plus its value 0.317x. Then total its value 1.317x. So this is the neutron number. This is proton number. Then next to mass number equal to proton number plus neutron number. Na? Okay. The mass number is 81. Proton number what is it? X plus neutron number 1.317x. Okay. Then next one is your 81 is equal to your x value is common value. You take common value. Then 1 plus 1.317. 1 plus 1.317. Therefore, 81 is equal to 1 plus 1.317 means 2.317. 2.317x. Therefore, x is equal to 81 divided by 2.317. Then we obtained the x value is 35. X value means here what is the given x value? Proton number. So proton number is 35. Proton number 35 means atomic number what happened? Atomic number also 35 na? Because of atomic number equal to proton number. Then what is 35 element to bromine? The element is bromine. 35 atomic number. Then what is mass number? Mass number is 81. They given already mass number. So this is the symbol of the element. So that is about the question. Then see the last one problem. This is also a textbook problem. Question number 2.43. Exercise problems. Previous question is 2.42. So this is also important model and related model. The ion with mass number 37 possesses 1 unit negative charge, means 1 minus charge, that ion. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than electrons, that ion contains neutron number 11.1% more than neutron. The electron find the 11.1% more neutron than electron. Find the symbol of the ion. Okay. So the next one is answer. Here. First one is you have to find out the number of electrons in the ion. Number of electrons in ion. Why we are taking first number of electrons? So because of your neutron number is more than electron number, 11.1% more than electron number. First of all, you have to know about the electron number in the ion, then only neutron number. So electron number of electrons in the ion we don't know. X. Next one is number of neutrons is equal to X plus, means compared with electron number, neutron number is 11.1% more. Therefore X plus its value 0.111x. Then X value take common value, then 0.111 means 1.111x. So this is the neutron number. Okay. The next one is number of electrons in the neutral atom. Neutral atom. Neutral atom means it does not contain any charge. But in question what they possess 1 unit negative charge, means actual number of electrons in the neutral atom is, for example, X. It contains extra 1 more electron. Okay. So because of minus 1 mean it gain 1 electron. So X plus 1 total number of electron in the ion. Okay. But number of electrons in neutral atom means X minus 1. Okay. So the number of electrons in neutral atom is X minus 1. Number of electrons in neutral atom X minus 1 means number of protons in the atom. Number of protons in the ion also, or number of protons in the neutral atom is also X minus 1. Neutral atom or ion, both are proton number is constant. That's why number of protons in neutral atom and number of protons in ions both are same, X minus 1. Okay. Then next one is mass number is equal to proton number plus neutron number. What is given in mass number? 37. 37 is equal to proton number. What they given? X minus 1. Neutron number what they given? So 1 plus X. So 1 point proton number is X minus 1 plus neutron number 1.111x. Then see here 37 is equal to, here this is X minus 1 1.1. So this is we can write written as 1.111x plus X minus 1. Correct na? We can write like this. Then here minus 1 is comes to this one side. Then what we get? Minus 1 becomes to plus 1. 37 plus 1 is equal to 1.111x plus x. It becomes to 38 is equal to, here x value take common value. 1.111 plus 1. Therefore 38 is equal to 2.111x. Therefore x is equal to 38 divided by 2.111. Then x value is 18. Okay, means x value 18 means what you are given, number of electrons in the ion 18, number of electrons in the ion 18, but number of protons in the ion, number of electrons in the ion x, but number of electrons in the neutral atom or proton is x minus 1, but atomic number equal to proton number ga. So number of protons is equal to x minus 1. X minus 1 means proton number equal to z amma. Remember, proton number and atomic number are same. X minus 1 means 18 minus 1 means 17. So atomic number 17 means what is the element? Chlorine. So the symbol of the element is atomic number 17, that is chlorine. Then mass number what they gonna 37. So this is about the answer for this question. So this is very important model.